If you look at the new Model Y, there's something missing. Mud flaps. Let's put them on. Got these from EVBase. Come with a instruction QR code. Oh. Old man down. All right. Uno. Dos. Make sure you have the right one. That one goes there. This one don't go there. Goes on the other side. So it's to clear away the mud. I got 200 miles on here. It needs to clip on. Do a little cleaning here. Use some bike superwash. Only thing holding this top part on is this clip. So you gotta get this clip on. Just like that. Now you can put the bottom piece on. Okay, now that both are lined up, you just put these in. Little Phillips here. There you go. One down. What do you do with the old ones? Well, if you're like me, you forget to pick them up and you run over them and flatten them and then let them lay in the garage. That's how I roll. All right. Put that on there. This goes there. That goes there. This is not a clean job. If you're afraid of getting dirty, this ain't for you. There you go. All right, 2 down. Always bring the ramps to the car. Never bring the car to the ramps. How those white seats treating you, Scott? Well, you know. All right, for this one, we got an extra bolt here that we need to take out to go along with our 2 on the bottom. We also have a 10mm screw on the bottom that I'll show you. Here's a thought. Why don't you clean them both at the same time? Because I don't want to do something that makes sense. This thing's like a bolt. Just spins right out. Okay. Then I got the 2 clips down here at the bottom. Then I have a 10mm here. So here's the 10mm. And here's my 2 clips. Ooh, I can't do this looking into the camera. So I'm gonna pop this just like that. Yeah. Same thing with this one. Trying to do this looking through a camera lens, just like that. That comes out. And that comes out. And then you need 10mm socket for this part. Did this side without video running, my bad. But it's on there. Close your eyes. Or move your head. One of the two. Problem is, where'd they put the little indentation for the screwdriver? This one, they put it on the side. So if you ever go to put these back on, make sure that indentation is somewhere that you can get to it again. Then I got my nuts, which is right up here. All right, that goes there. Slip this bad boy on here. Make sure you clip it. Okay, is it clipped? I think it is. Hard to tell. Oh, wait, is it? Nope, it's not clipped. See, gotta make sure it's clipped. Hang on. Get off there. Get you clipped in. There we go. Now it's clipped in. All right, now I can put my nut on the top, work my way down. That's all there is to it. All right, that's what they look like from behind. Pretty good. Oh, I wonder if they're gonna hit as I take them off the ramps. Watch them for me. Let's see. Did they hit? Well, they're still on there. That's what it looks like from the side. And that's what it looks like from the front. I like them. All right, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one.